Welcome to my new intro.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great.
So yes guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this video. It's coming from popular dancehall artist slash dancer Ding Dong. You know, as he's saying, do not expect support from someone who don't want to support you. You understand? So I hope somebody learn from this. Don't make because a person don't want to support you, you vent about it, you eat up yourself, you bite up yourself. No. If they want to support you, they will support you. And on the other hand, don't make because a friend or a family member don't want to support you, you get upset and stuff like that. If they want to, they will. Because guess what? If they're your friend and your real true family, you don't have to ask them for support. And I totally agree with him. I am not going to sit and say, okay, ask a family member or a friend like, oh, you not support my channel. No, I'm not going to ask you. You understand? Me not gonna ask you. Because let me tell you something, a lot of people will not support you when they see your channel is small. But the moment everybody start talking about you, everybody say, I'm a sister this, I'm a cousin this, I'm a friend this. Man, stop expect them for support you. You see me? Let me tell you something. Me not expect nobody to support me. Me not put no data on nobody's phone. Me not pay nobody Wi-Fi bill. You understand? I will support people. Who I can support, I will support. Who me can super chat, my super chat. You understand? I'm a support with a good heart. You understand? I'm not go to somebody's channel because me I look this or me I look that. I support with a good heart because this is something that I love to do. So I want to know, take something and learn something from this little clippings that I am going to let you guys listen to from Ding Dong. I'm going to hope you learn something from it. I'm going to open up your brain and learn something from it.
You know what I mean? Hopefully you'll get the support from the people that really want to support you. And support is not something you're supposed to ask for. That is why I tell people, don't think that nobody at all in this world, whether artists, anything at all where you are the business person, nobody at all in this world is obligated to you to support you or anything. Nobody.
Ear, open the ear, where must say, and I totally agree with him. Nobody know where him there. Just sit and watch who is going to genuinely support you from your channel little, or if you're an artist and nobody really do about you. Because you know a lot of people can grow on and say, oh, she change or him change or this I wanna change or that they wanna change, because guess what? When you was down and you was trying to build yourself, they never believe in you. So now that you build yourself, you only remember who you know did they push you and help you. You understand? And that's when they're going to be the one who is going to say that you change. You understand? But deep down, you haven't changed. You know, you just remember all of the shit with them do and them never believe in you, so they're not supposed to enjoy whatever you they earn in my take. You understand? You're not gonna enjoy what me they earn when you never believe in me. We put up a video, you're not gonna watch it, you know, whatever. I don't obligate to you, you know. But if you say I'm a friend, I am a family, come drop a like, man. Drop a one comment. Don't wait till when the thing big and you see people start know me, then you say, oh, me know her, you know. I made this and I made that, but she changed. Since people know her on YouTube, or since people know say she an artist, or I'm an artist, or stuff like that, it changed. You know, so people just do you. As me telling you guys, that's the reason why I say C&G Daily Updates. I'm building C&G Daily Updates independently. You understand? I want that to be my vlog channel, guys. I'm here build it independently. This channel, You know me do everything on this channel, right? Guys, I do a little of this, a little of that. If I feel for the live, I'm going to do live. If I want to go live 1 million times, I'm going to go live. Not because I am selfish, but same like how next person want to build their channel, I have to build mine too. You understand? And remember, guys, stop getting vexed when the next person go live while you are live. You understand? Don't get upset because everyone want to build their channel. Remember, I know I have audience that will not be your audience. You have audience that will not be my audience. You understand? And we have to do it for people. I remember I used to do live every night. I must dress up, nice up myself, do live every single night. You understand? A lot of YouTubers can contest to this. And guess what? Ever since I stopped, I lose so much people. And those people who used to support me, they wasn't even YouTubers. You know? They was just supporters. Them are never YouTuber. Them are the supporter. You know? Big up Western. And she give me my first donation on my channel before me monetize. Big up yourself, Western. You understand, people? So somehow don't really not understand this whole thing. You see this thing, if you do this, even though you might have money in there, but you still have to love it. You understand? You still have to love it. You still have to love it. Because if you don't love it, it might make you go crazy. Can you go to say, Lord Jesus, may I do this and may I do that and whatever. But you see me personally, I now make YouTube eat me up. I see my channel that grow and they go on. I not do no major thing for my channel. The things are doing live, that is nothing. I not do no major thing for my channel. And it a grow. I give God thanks. I can't force nobody to subscribe. I can't force nobody to support. I can't force nobody to do nothing when it comes to my channel. So God bless all of who does support me. You understand? God bless you know. You know? Because I cannot force no one. You see what I say, people? So let's get more down into the video. So guys, before I end, I want to give some shout out to my members. You understand? First, I want to big up AG Born Jamaican. Is that AG Born Jamaican. Next up, we have Shane from Shane and the Family TV. Next, we have Shelly's Life. So if I have foreign TTB, yes guys. So yeah, big up to all my members. And before you guys go, I want to check out my sister channel. That's VS Kitchen and Lifestyle, guys. You could support her channel. So thank you guys for watching this video, and let's hear what Ding Dong have to say one more time before we go. Stay tuned.
You know what I mean? Hopefully you'll get the support from the people who really want to support you. And support is not something you're supposed to ask for. That is why I tell people, don't think that nobody at all in this world, whether artists, anything at all where you are the business person, nobody at all in this world is obligated to you to support you or anything. Nobody